French Polynesia, a realm where ancient Polynesian culture and stunning natural beauty converge. From the UNESCO-listed Marae at Taputapuatea on Raiatea to the royal history of Hua Hin, the pink sands of Tikehau, and Moorea's volcanic landscape, each island offers a unique window into the soul of the South Pacific. Sailing to Raiatea, the journey begins. Here lies the sacred Marae Taputapuatea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, echoing the spiritual energy of the past. A speedboat ride down the Wharoa River offers an intimate glimpse into Raiatea's lush heart, guided by local experts. At Taputapuatea, history and spirituality merge. A local guide narrates tales of the Marae's significance, as you enjoy a picnic with local delicacies. The serene atmosphere invites reflection, connecting you with Polynesian traditions. A speedboat ride down the Wharoa River is a voyage back in time. The only navigable river in French Polynesia leads to Taputapuatea, a site of great cultural significance. Local guides share insights into the flora, fauna, and legends of ancient Polynesia. Discovering Hua Hin's lush jungles and ancient royal marae, you're transported to a time of Tahitian royalty. The island's agricultural richness is evident in its banana, watermelon, and vanilla orchid groves, offering a sensory experience of the island's natural bounty. Hua Hin's marae sites, like Marae Nini and Marae Matairea Rahi, offer a profound glimpse into Polynesian heritage. These sacred platforms reveal the island's spiritual and social life, inviting you to explore Polynesia's storied past. Hua Hin's fertile lands showcase the island's agricultural abundance. A visit to a vanilla plantation or a pearl farm offers insight into the island's natural resources and cultural heritage. The afternoon is perfect for indulging in local fruits or relaxing in Haamene Bay. Arrival at Tikehau, the pink sand island, reveals a lagoon praised by Jacques Cousteau for its dense fish population. A walking tour or a 4x4 nature safari showcases the island's natural and agricultural wonders, culminating in a farewell dinner aboard the ship. A visit to a local fish farm on Tikehau provides a glimpse into sustainable aquaculture practices. Observing the nurturing of fish destined for Papides markets, you witness the islanders' connection with the sea and their commitment to sustainability. Tikehau's lagoon, an underwater paradise, offers a spectacular diving and snorkeling experience. The clear waters reveal a kaleidoscope of marine life, inviting you to explore the vibrant underwater world that captivated Jacques Cousteau. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.